Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to apply calcium nitrate fertilizer. First, understand its benefits. Calcium nitrate is a fantastic source of two crucial nutrients, calcium and nitrogen. It helps prevent common issues like blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers, ensuring your plants produce healthy, abundant yields. This fertilizer also promotes stronger cell walls, leading to more robust and resilient plants throughout their growth cycle. Next, let's look at application methods. You can apply calcium nitrate in granular form by sprinkling it around the base of your plants. Alternatively, you can dissolve the granules in water to create a liquid solution, which is excellent for a quick nutrient boost. For even faster absorption, consider a foliar spray, applying the diluted solution directly to the leaves. Always check your product's instructions for precise mixing ratio. When it comes to raw acceleration, both cars are incredibly quick. The BMW M8 competition rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a staggering 2.5 seconds, covering the quarter mile in just 10.7 seconds. The Audi R8 V10 performance is close behind, hitting 60 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds and matching the M8's quarter-mile time of 10.7 seconds. Both employ sophisticated all-wheel drive systems, with the BMW's xDrive offering a selectable rear-wheel drive mode for added versatility. Finally, some best practices and safety tips. Always wear gloves and eye protection when handling calcium nitrate to protect your skin and eyes. Store the fertilizer in a cool, dry location, away from direct sunlight and moisture, to maintain its effectiveness. Remember, more is not always better. Avoid overapplication to prevent potential nutrient imbalances in your soil. After applying granular fertilizer, water your plants well.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.